Okay, so this packet is all about slope. Other words for slope or what? Rate of change. What else? Per. It won't write. Hold up. Glitching already. Per. What else?
Every. Right. Oh, ratio.
That's how you say it. All right. It is ratio. Okay. The table of values a linear relationship between X and Y. What is the slope of the line? Now for this one, easy peasy. You have a table. Where can you put those numbers? Stat edit, my best friend. There we go. All right. Let's do this. Stat edit. Y'all trying to do this one. All right. -7, -2, 3, 8.
I put it in.
All right, after you put your points into stat edit, where do you go?
Stat. Calculate. It's linear, so you go to 4 points.
Linear is 4.
Then you go to store alpha trace, white 1, and
alpha trace, enter. Now, out of these numbers, which one's your slope? A, so -1.6. Okay, so you can go ahead and at least get rid of the positives. Now, is -1.6 -8/5? Or is it -5/8? Let's figure this out. So -1.6, math, enter, -8/5. Your answer is A. Now, believe it or not, number 2 is these are all previous STAR test questions. This one was on a STAR test and I couldn't believe it because it was just that easy. What is the slope of the graph? This equation is written in what? Slope-intercept form. What is slope-intercept form? So what's the slope? 12. But Squishy got it wrong. All right, what's the slope of the line that passes through these points? Since they are points, because every time people type them in when they look like this, they tend to put 5 and 11 on the same side of the column or on the same column. So it's better to just put it into a table first, then type it into stat edit. 9, 17. Then you go back to stat calc. 4. Slope is always, even if it doesn't tell you that it's linear, slope is only associated with linear functions. So just keep that in mind. -2. Yep. So your answer is A. Now, how do you find the slope of a line when the equation's not in y equals form? What would you do? Solve for y. Yeah, sometimes there's just no way around it. There's no calculator trick. There is no calculator trick on solving for y. You have to know how to do that. So solving for y right here, first thing you do is move x. How do you move it? Subtract, so -5x. Now, when you bring down that 12, I guarantee you there's going to be somebody that forgets about that negative right there. Always double check for that. And then the last step. Divide by the negative 12. So negative 5 over negative 12 is positive. 24 divided by negative 12, negative 2. Out of both of those numbers, which one is your slope? Which one's a slope? 5 over 12. So your answer is J.
Having intrusive thoughts. Should I go buzz and get the trade card?
Have those thoughts when I'm not recording this.
My bad.
Yes, I'm recording for Angela. She's not
Everybody
here.
watching
And
the YouTube.
Jaden, that's
Should
not
I
here.
get a trade card?
Everybody is watching. Drop your
Votes down below.
drop your votes down below in the comments.
I might actually do it. Now that I think about it.
Oh man.
That's right. Because I don't know, Drake card's cool. Okay. No, I don't know. But that's just weird. Then again, I had to go really fast. That's good, girl.
All right.
Surprised that, yeah.
Put your points into stat edit. Stat calculate 4. Because slope is always linear. And the answer is weird. No.
I think you got it wrong.
No.
That was one of the
Negative 0.07. 69. Get rid of any positive answers. And obviously, negative 0.07 is not negative 13. So your answer is A.
Whoa, what question is this?
Number 5. All right, slope of the line that's represented by the graph. First thing you're supposed to notice on that graph is that the line is going in what direction? Up. So get rid of any negative answers. Get rid of G and J. Now from there, you pick 2 good points. What are 2 points that we can use?
1 0
1 0. What else?
6 and 3 6.
3 6. That's fine. Okay, so remember, finding the slope is rise over run. It's always y over x. So your y-axis goes up and down. First, you get the rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you find how much you go across the run, which is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So your answer is H. Let's say you forget that. You can always pick those 2 points, which you said 1 0 and then 2 3 6, and then put those in a stat edit as well. Okay. All right, this one. What direction is the line going? The line is going
To the left.
up or down. It's going down. So that means our slope is negative. Now from there, pick 2 points. What are 2 points that we can use? 0 1.
Negative 5 and 2.
Negative 5 2 or 5 0. Yes. So you go down and to the right. Go slope is y over x. You're changing y over, you're changing x. So that's, you go down 1, making that a negative 1. And you go to the right, how many? 5. So your answer is negative 1/5. or you can pick 2 points and put it in stat edit. Next one. The keyword, the reason you know you're finding slope is because of what word, what phrase? Rate of change. Now, the line is going down, so what are the 2 answers that you're going to get rid of first? F and H, because those are your positives. Now we do rise over run. For this one, we're going to go down and to the right. Down how many? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. And to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And -6 over 8 reduces or simplifies to what? So your answer is all right. That's all I'm gonna review you on. You guys do the rest of these. They're all tables or points, but you're literally finding the slope on every single one of them. Okay? If you have any questions, just let me know. If you get stuck on one, let me know. I want this done by the end of the period.